alternative Defe Defe, originally in the key of E flat, but I'm playing the key of F. Okay, so let's dive in on what they did. So they were doing this. Alright, so that is Re Mi La on the right. Then the right hand, I'm doing the F, B flat, C and D. Alright, then I'm gonna teach you a movement here. Alright, then the right hand first, then the left hand. Alright, so that's the first chord, the A, D, F, B flat, E flat, F sharp, then B flat, D and G. Alright, so like this. Alright, so let's go. Then then the moment you hit pam pam, then you hit this chord, the B flat, D, E flat, G. Alright, so let's go. Then we play. Alright, so like this. Alright, so that is F, B flat, C and D. Right hand is doing the B flat, C, D, F. Then I'm doing the A, D, F. Right hand is doing the A, C, D and F. Alright. Alright. Then you are gonna do a chord here. Alright, so like this. That's the first chord, the C, G, C, E. Then, alright. Then, left hand is doing the D, right hand is doing the A, F. Alright. Then, the A on the left, right hand is doing the G, C, F. Alright, I'm doing B flat on the left, F on the left, right hand is doing the B flat, C, D, F. Alright, so like this. Alright, then this is the last chord they did. Alright, I'm doing the A, D, E. Right hand is doing the A, D, E and A. Alright, so like this. Alright, then we do the punch they did to start the song. Okay, so what is that? I'm doing Mi, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Si, Do, Ti, La, So, La. Mi, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, So, La. Then they start. And everything you made, the wonders of your grace. You took my sin, my guilt, my shame, and you called me your name. We go sing hallelujah. Okay, so what is that? It started on the So. Okay, so I'm showing you the chords. To the Fa, to the La, then 5. We come to 1, 5, to the 4, to the 6. Alright, there's a part called Oshena Wusheno Abemu. Oshena Wusheno Abemu. Alright, so that part. So we do the 4. Oshena Wusheno, then we do the 4, 5, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 3. Oshena Wusheno Abemu. I got my victory in 5. What coming home? See me through. Then let's go. Washana, apemo. I got my victory in you. What coming home? See me through. I did the intro again. It's another part to it. Munjai me, okay? Munjai me. Naminde nyamiasi, Messiah nyamianka. Why me defe defe, defe defe, defe defe, defe defe, defe defe. Okay, so that part. Munjai me. Naminde nyamiasi, Messiah nyamianka. Why me defe defe, defe defe, defe defe, defe defe, defe defe. Obinjai me. Naminde yamiasi, Messiah nyamika. Why me so fa 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 fa. Okay, so that part it goes like 6, then 1, then 5. Okay, then to the 4. We will call it a day on this lesson. Okay, subscribe if you haven't. See you in another video.